Today, you face an ever-growing mountain of challenges when it comes to your wide area network. That might be migrating legacy tech and network solutions, moving applications to the cloud, or enabling your hybrid workforce. You need agility, flexibility, and scalability in your WAN to overcome these challenges and succeed in a fast-paced and changing world.
The ideal WAN solution will give you enhanced connectivity, optimized network availability and performance, as well as secure end-to-end access to your applications.
Transform your network with Colt SD-WAN with VMware. Colt and VMware partner to provide a future-proof, secure and cloud-delivered SD-WAN solution to help you drive application modernization and reduce network complexity.
You can benefit from a leading, innovative platform offering agile, optimized WAN, underpinned by Colt's industry-leading network and customer service, helping you to build extraordinary connections.
Our combined expertise means you get cloud-optimized solutions that are easy to manage and scale with you to meet the growing needs of your business. Need help to design your ideal WAN solution? Book in for an innovation workshop with our solution engineers today.